Hey, what's up you guys? It's Delilah. Hey! So today we're going to be doing a little lit playlist, get ready with me type video. So I'm just going to be getting ready, doing my makeup, and I'm just going to be listening to the music that I like. And also I posted on my Instagram story. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I'll leave it right here. But yeah, I asked everyone what kind of look they prefer, either a matte eyeshadow look or a shimmery eyeshadow look. So I did that, and so far it looks like the matte eyeshadow is winning. So I'm just gonna do that, something similar to that, really cute. I'm not really gonna be talking too much because I'm just, you know, chilling, getting ready, listening to music. But yeah, let's just start the video. I'm gonna try the new, I will say though, I'm gonna try the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation that just came out. I've been like beasting to try it. Hopefully I got the right shade. So obviously I chose the wrong shade and I look orange as fuck, but don't worry, we're gonna make it work. So my love is sweet. That I intend to stop living. Pretend I'm good at forgiving. But I can't hate you, though I have tried. Bronzer is SEPHORA Collection Micro Smooth Powder and my FENTY bronzer in MOCHA MAMI. That was the Crush blush that I used from Kat Von D. Prime your lids with the Too Faced Multi-Use Concealer. Cut your crease with that same concealer that we used earlier. Keep cutting, you're almost there. You don't know who's swimming naked to the top. Where your hoes at? Where your rolls at? Where your down since day one real bros at? What are the stories that you tell? Where your heart, nigga? Where your soul at? Tap, tap, tap that color all over the lid from the NATASHA DENONA palette. Be so sweet, please. I do what I want when I'm happy. I'm the bad guy. Duh. Everything's different. I can't complain. Loving you is easy, and even when I'm broken, more than my man, you're my homie. Baby, don't let go. For real this time. I'm sick. Make my earthquake. Smoke that liner out, girl. Smoke it out. Don't leave. was my fault. Everything I love, it was all because how did love get away from us? Next thing I know, you're leaving me. Where do we go? Your mouth cleaning you out. Am I satisfied? Staple your tongue. I wanna end me. What are you wondering? What do you know? Why did it end? This is my shit. Be that way. Fall apart twice a day. I'm using Morphe lip liner in Vibe and Huda Beauty lipstick in Interview, my favorite nude combo. Today's the day I learned that I believe in miracles. I can feel the world opening up. What do you guys? I don't know how to smile yet. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you can, leave a comment down below, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon. That's a vibe, that's a vibe, that's a vibe, oh that's a vibe, yeah, yeah, that's a vibe.